Welcome to JohnNordo.com, and this video section is going to be about our computer service and technology. So we're going to go ahead and translate over to English. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find computer services. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And remember that we're clicking with our left button on our mouse. Then you have information here, and let's get down to it. So we see prices and frequently asked questions. So we're going to go ahead and go into prices. And it begins with computer services and fees. This is remote assistance. So this is a repetitive fee that gets charged to your card on file every single month. And this is for that person or business that requires constant surveillance of their computer system in the sense of how it's performing. And if, let's say, for example, you have a small business where you have an enterprise of 3 individuals and you're running a small business network, and you want to cover yourself so when you run into those little problems and you can't afford to have any downtime. So that's what this session here is for. If you work from home, it's the same concept. You can't afford downtime, so you want to be able to reach out and get someone to fix your problem as fast as possible. So this is what you're looking at for that type of a service or need. And if you see here, we scroll down, each package is going to give us the information of what it offers under that price range. Now, keep in mind that this service fee is for individual computers. So if you have 3 computers, you will be getting 3 of these. Let's say, for example, if you wanted to cover all 3 computers. At this point, we're going to go ahead and start using our shopping cart, and we're going to go ahead and hit monthly fee. We do use PayPal as our merchant account. And if you don't know anything about PayPal, we do have videos on that as well on our site. But I'll give you a brief explanation. PayPal is one of the most secure banks online that you could possibly find. And they were the #1 online bank. Uh, when they started, they were offering $10 for people to sign up. So I've been a member of PayPal since the beginning, and our company as well. So as you see here, it gives you a radio button. I do apologize. A drop box, and you can select here what type of service you want. So let's say if you have 1 computer, and you just want it for one, it's 39, 2 computers, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So remember, keep in mind that this is a subscription service where you're paying a monthly fee. And that monthly fee is depending on what you select in this section here. If you need something that's not here, for all means, you're more than welcome to reach out to us and send us a contact letter, and we'll respond to you within 24 hours to 72. Over here, we can just skip and go to the next office that we have. So let's go back and let me explain how that works. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So basically the same thing you're doing here, you can actually do from here. Let's say you went into the $39 one, and then you decided, you know what, I need a little bit of more service than what that has to offer. That instead of having to go back and then click on the other ones, you can actually just go to 2 and 3 right from right here. So if we went to the $49 one, it'll take you right there. Same here on the 3. Okay, and so let's go back to our principal page on the subscription service. And as we go down, you see these buttons are going to be laid out all over the place. And this is your frequently asked question button. And we see here that $50 to $75 computer and diagnostic services. So that is what you will be paying at minimum, because you need a diagnostic of your problem if you're not aware of what the problem is. So in this case, let's say that you have a computer, a desktop. Now, what is considered a computer desktop? It's the big bulky computer that sits on top of your table. or underneath your table. It's considered a desktop. What is considered a laptop? Well, your laptops that you're able to travel with, take with you anywhere you go. Those are your laptops. Diagnostic fees, they differ depending what type of system you have. So in this case, if it's a desktop, it's $50. If it's a laptop, it's $75. Now, this that you pay for the diagnostic, the $50 or the $75, it is a payment kind of service, or you need to pay up front. Now, let me explain that. So let's say that, for example, you are selecting the $50 one for a desktop solution, and we determined that to repair your services is $100. Well, you already paid $50 for the diagnostic fee, which gets applied towards that $100. So the only difference you pay in price is $50. So that's how that works. So this is gonna bring an end to this video because I don't like to make long videos, and we'll be back with part 2 of this series. Thank you.